Madhurya Kanamani is explaining that as your bhakti increases, as your attachment and love for Krishna increases, it's like communicating vessels. One, if you put water here and they're connected, then like Shamakun and Radhakun is better. It's like Radhakun and Shamakun. If you fill Radhakun with 10 feet of water, then it's going to go through the Sangam and it's going to become 10 feet of water, right? Radhakun and Shamakun are the same height because they're getting the water from the water level. They don't have springs. When it rains, the water goes in the ground because that's why it's a few steps down. It comes up, it's like 50 feet. You go sometimes 50 feet and you get water. So it's called the water level. So if I dig a hole in my backyard, it'll be 5 steps down to the water like it's 5 steps over there. It's called the water level, Pani level. So as our attachment and love for Krishna increases, and then attachment and detachment, the body decreases, and then that goes in within this life, and then it carries on next life. So the attachment to the body and the rati for this body, sharir, is our karma. Karma bandhana. It's called karma bandhana. It's our karma, our pap karma, our punya karma, and pap karma are binding. So as we do more and more bhakti, Srinvatam Swaka Kata Krishna, Punya Shravana Kirtana, Rilyantaksta Yubhadrani, Vidonoti Saritsatam. As you do hear the Bhagavatam, do seva, bhajan, sadhana bhajan, then saf ho jayega. Everything becomes clean.